clicks right in. So, you know, you guys are already there. You're thinking about your body when you're doing adjustments, being in good body alignment, good posture. I bring my hand through here to get this rib. She's gonna relax with her hand on her neck. I'm gonna put my hand right here, okay? Bring you up, and then I do the work. So I'm grabbing that shoulder blade. I'm gonna bring her up, put my thenar underneath, and then impulse, okay? You okay? And it just clicks right in. And that's how you get a hot rib. You get like one chance, maybe two chances at it, and it'll just, it's supple, it moves right in where you want it. And you can do the same thing on the other side if there's a rib there.